So I was all set to record this video out in the park today, but it's raining here in Chicago, so you get me in the car, actually in the Starbucks parking lot. But listen, if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, just go for it. Seriously, just press record on your phone, start talking, upload that video, and just keep going because nobody cares. And I want to share with you in today's video 6 reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel, even if nobody's watching. Now, the first one is honing your skills when you're starting a YouTube channel. And I'm guessing your mind goes straight to software and gear and lighting and microphones and all that stuff. I'm here to tell you that that stuff's not important. What I mean by skills is skills on camera, like storytelling, how to write your script, how to engage your audience. And those are skills that you can only learn through practice. You have to learn those skills and you have to just keep trying them, keep doing them, because you're gonna screw up, and that's totally okay. But having good storytelling, understanding how to write a script, even if you're not reading the script directly, but having an outline, having bullet points is crucial to getting started on YouTube. And you might as well screw up in your storytelling and your scripting or your bullet points, however you decide to do it, when nobody's watching. It's the perfect time to start testing these things out. And when it comes to hard skills like learning how to edit and learning about microphones and cameras, that stuff really doesn't matter. Sure, it's important, right? You have to have good lighting and you want to have good audio, but all you need is the camera on your phone to get started. And this is one of the biggest things that my coaching clients ask me about. They all want to know about the gear and what kind of camera should I have, what kind of lighting and microphone, and that just doesn't matter, okay? One of the biggest things is just getting started, uploading those videos, okay? So that's the first thing you need to do. And if you need help figuring out your niche and figuring out your video titles, I actually have a 2-part training that I did for my coaching clients. You guys get access to it free. I'll put a link below here in the description, and that'll be a great way to help you guys get started. And then the next one is, it's a way to experiment. There's no pressure or low pressure, however you want to look at it. So you can try tons of different things. You can try different types of thumbnails, different titles. You can also try different types of content. You can try different places of filming your content. Maybe you're in the educational niche. You can try different styles of how-to videos, before and after videos, listicle style, kind of like what I'm doing now, top 10 list, top 5, top 20. And you can try out all these different methods to see what works best for you, but also to see what resonates with your audience. And the next one, this is a reason that most people don't think about, but especially for somebody like me, over 50, this is really, really important. And that's building a legacy. And who cares if nobody watches? You're building a legacy for your family, for your friends. So start recording, start putting videos up, because when you put it up on YouTube, guess what? It lasts forever. Unless somebody goes in there and deletes those videos and deletes those channels. Worst case scenario, if you get started in this whole YouTube game, at least you have videos up. You have this, video library of your life, of your experiences. So if that's not a good enough reason, then I don't know what else is. Start creating your video legacy. And the next reason is just personal growth. You'd be amazed at how this will affect different aspects in your life and your business. When you start overcoming that awkwardness and shyness on camera, you're going to be more confident in other areas of your life. So just start recording. This video here, I just started recording in my car, and yeah, I'm making mistakes and I might say some ums and some ahs, and I'm sure I'll hear about it in the content, in the comments, but I'm just talking. I really don't care, okay? Because I know that the message I'm delivering is important. I know people want to hear about this. I know this is a problem for people. So I'm here to help them out. So just start speaking, get through that awkwardness, and you'll be amazed at, how this affects all the different areas of your life. And the more confident you get, the better your videos you get, more views, more subscribers, and so on. And then the next one is finding your niche. Like I talked about earlier with experimentation, as you start to experiment with different video types and topics and styles, you're going to start to uncover your niche. And a lot of you probably think you know exactly what your niche is, but I'm willing to bet that you don't. You might have the broad range of the niche, but not really kind of the deep level of the niche. So as you start to create more videos and you start to send that data back to YouTube, you'll be able to go into your analytics and see which videos people are watching, which thumbnails are they clicking on, which videos are they actually watching for a long period of time, because it's all about watch time on YouTube. And as you start to see these patterns, you might surprise yourself. You might think that everybody wants to hear about topic A, but in reality, it's topic B that they're most interested in. So you might find yourself slightly shifting your niche. And this is one of the biggest challenges that my clients have, is picking the niche or really uncovering what their real niche is. They'll come to me with their idea. Hey, this is what I'm in, this is what I'm into. And as we start to go through different exercises and things, that's when they really kind of start to see that aha, because yes, you want to be passionate and excited about what your niche is, but on YouTube, you also want to make sure that there's an audience out there. So we need to find that intersection of what you're good at, what the audience wants, and then are there products and services being sold in that niche? That's really, really important. And if you are somebody who's serious about YouTube, growing on YouTube, or growing your existing channel, then definitely schedule a YouTube discovery call with me. I'm opening up a few slots this month. I'll put a link below here in the description. So just click on that. There'll be a few questions to answer, and then you can schedule your call with me. And another great reason to start uploading your videos to YouTube, even if nobody's watching, is this is where you can start testing your different systems and workflows, landing pages, websites. Make sure that you get your description right, get all your links right. Test all that out to make sure that everything flows and works properly. With testing your systems and your workflows, this is where you also start testing your CTA, or what's called a call to action. So when you're doing your video, you want to test out your various calls to action, which could be to download your free guide, join your masterclass, sign up for this, download your free book or template. This is a great time for you to start testing out kind of the business side of things and see how people respond to the different calls to action. See how many people are actually clicking on the links. Make sure all the links are working, and testing out various landing pages and websites to see which ones people resonate with. So get the videos up there. There are no excuses. Use your phone, use your webcam, use the camera on your computer, on your iPad, whatever it is. Borrow your kid's iPad. I've done that before to film videos. The most important thing is that you are uploading videos, that you're consistent. So show up every week or every day, whatever it is you choose, but show up and stick with it, because you need to create enough videos and test enough videos and get that data back to YouTube so that you can see what is resonating with your audience, what's working, what's not working. Also, you're going to start to see, as you progress, as you make more videos, you're going to get better. You're going to get more comfortable on camera. Your message is going to be tighter and clearer. You're going to have all the bugs worked out with your websites and your systems and your workflows and your email automations. So get out there. Who cares who's watching? Start making videos, upload those videos, just take action. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.